Let's dive into this React component created with Next.js. Here, we are importing useState from React to handle state within our functional component. The component animated button initializes a piece of state is animating to false. The trigger animation function sets it to true, triggering a re-render. A set timeout then resets is animating to false after 1000 milliseconds, causing another re-render. This timeout corresponds to our animation duration. In the JSX, we conditionally apply the animate bounce class when is animating is true, starting the animation when the button is clicked. The Tailwind CSS config file is where we extend the framework's default behavior. In the plugins array, we're adding Tailwind CSS animation delay among others, allowing the use of animation delays. The theme object is extended with keyframes for the bounce animation. Here, we define how elements should transform during the animation sequence. The animation property is also extended to create a shorthand for the bounce animation. It's configured to last 1 second and repeat infinitely. You can customize this further based on your requirements.